All right, we are here at the Midland Antique Mall here in Indianapolis, and we have this really epic freight elevator here. A huge thank you to the fine staff for allowing this video to happen. Before we go, let's get a look at this thing. Very beautiful. But anyways, we're gonna operate it, so close this. Make sure it's shut all the way. And then shut this. And then here's the control panel. Pretty basic. So basically, we'll hold the up button and then it'll go. Here we go. And check this out. It self-levels. We'll get a better look at this thing real quick. Very gorgeous looking. It's very beautiful. Now I'll take it back downstairs. Watch it level. See, it self-levels. That is really interesting. Should I take one more ride? Well, we'll get one last look. And now we'll open it. So basically, open this. And then open this. And there you have it. That is a good look at an old Otis freight elevator. Again, huge thank you to the staff at this antique mall for allowing this video to happen. Anyways, that'll be it.